Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to install Forge on your Pine hosting Minecraft server. It is actually very simple to install Forge on your Pine hosting server. That is because we provide the versions tab. What the versions tab basically provides is the option to change between any type of modding framework that is available in Minecraft. Of course, we are looking to install Forge, so we're gonna click on the Forge option. And as you can see, we have a bunch of options to select from. You will have all the available releases available, and if you click also on the release, you have a number of builds that are available for its type of release. Of course, the latest is the most suggested, as always. And once you have selected which release you want to install, you'll need to, of course, wipe your server files and accept the EULA. Finally, just click the install button and just let the server installer fetch all the files for you. And as you can see, our server has already been updated in a matter of seconds into Forge 26.1.2. Now you can head back over to your console tab here and start your server. And just like that, we have converted our vanilla Minecraft server into a Forge server with just the click of one button. If you have any further questions or require any further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.